Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm Stacy and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello. Sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. Well, you guys see a little bit of the box. I picked up a sneaker that's been on my wish list for probably 3 or 4 months now. No, they've been on my list since last year, technically. Yeah, they were last year because when I first saw them, I wanted them. I think it was the Olympics when I first saw these. So, let me quit babbling. If you guys want to know what sneaker that I just picked up that is not a usual suspect, stay tuned. All right, well, I'm not doing a standard unboxing right now because this shoe came with another shoe that actually came with last week's shoe. I just thought about it. It came with last week's shoe. So they came in a big box together. I wasn't going to do the whole unboxing thing, but we're going to talk about this shoe right here. It is in a blue Nike box with the white logo, and it's an old school box. So what shoe did I pick up? I'm going to wait and read the tag. So here is the inside of the box. And if you see the little sticker, you can pretty much figure out what shoe I picked up. And the shoe that I picked up is the Nike Fly-Ease. Yep, something different. Let me go right here. Here's both shoes right here. Let me go ahead and let me move the box out the way really quick so we can get into the box. We can get into the shoe real quick. Then we'll read the box. Here's the shoe right here on one side. Here's the front. Here's the other side. And here's the back. So the label reads Nike Go Fly-Ease. The colorway is court purple, white, Dutch blue. This is a men's 7.5, women's 9. And I'm gonna go ahead and pull this left shoe out. This shoe does that. So you guys probably seen this shoe around and wondered about it. So I'm gonna be your crash test crazy. I'm gonna be your crash test Stacy, and I'm gonna test it out. And of course, I wore a blue shirt. Actually, I got on my workout clothes. I'm about to do a workout real quick, but I wanted to go ahead and show the shoe off. Let's go ahead and look at the colorway of the shoe. The shoe is mainly a blue shoe. Dutch blue. I know it says court blue, white, and Dutch blue. So I am thinking the court blue is going to be the all over blue color, the darker blue. I'm thinking this is going to be the Dutch blue, and the white, of course, is on the midsole. Here you go, the bottom. That pop of orange is where the hinge is right here, and the inside of the shoe, the actual sole, is going to be in the light blue with a dark blue swoosh right there. Like I said, I've had this shoe on my wish list for a while. I'm actually going to slip my foot in it. I've had this shoe on my wish list for a while. Excuse me. I had this, like I said, I had it on my wish list for a while, and I wanted to, oh wow. All right, I just put it on my foot. It is super duper comfortable. It's a little tight though. Around this part, it's a little tight, but it's breathable and I can kind of deal with it. So I'm probably just gonna have to break it in a little bit. And I actually have room up at the top. See if I can lift my foot up. I have my toe is here. Here's the top of the shoe. So it's pretty cool. So I just want to kind of stick my foot in it for a second. But anyway, you guys, I know what else y'all are here to see. Y'all want to see how I style this up. So let's get to the fashions. Okay, for this outfit, real super duper casual. This sweater is from Target. They had a collab with Legos. So this is one of the sweaters from the Lego collection. Jeans are from the Universal Threads collection at Target. Bag is my Marc Jacobs, I want to say Hamilton bag. I can't remember. It's been a while. I've had this bag since forever. Picked up, I think, at Nordstrom. And the shoes are the Fly Ease Court Blue. These shoes right now are super duper uncomfortable. And I'm going to tell you why. It's because I'm wearing socks. These shoes are not good with socks. And I'm gonna... Sorry. I really don't want y'all to see my feet. But yeah, these shoes are better without socks. I have no sock on this one and a sock on this one. These shoes are very tight around the top here, but I think it's because it's supposed to like really be snug on your feet. But I do like them still. They actually are not, they're better without a sock. I'm just gonna say that right now. So if you guys plan on grabbing any of the colors of the shoe, wear them without socks. And I know I'm not a big fan of sneakers and no socks because of smell, but and sweat. But just to let you know, these are a bit tight. So either if you want to go up a size, you could, or just get your regular size and don't wear socks. But let's get down on the floor and let's look at them on foot so you guys can see them and how you put them on foot. Okay, this is the shoe. I'm gonna go ahead and just take the shoe off for like a second so you guys can see how to put it on. This is the shoe undone, or in its I guess open state, and then all you're gonna do is you just slip your foot in. You know what, I'm just gonna take my sock off. Sorry, y'all don't see my feet. I don't show my feet often. It's pretty funny, I don't show my feet often. So basically you just step down and your foot is in the shoe. Like I said, the shoe is better with a sock because right around here it's a bit tight. But it is a pretty fun shoe. I just noticed that it kind of curls up at the top. My toe is right here, so I actually have a little bit of room up top. But this is a really cool shoe. I love the Fly Ease, the concept of them. That you can just like do your foot like that and just slip in and out of the shoe. That is what I really like about it. And then just the look of the shoe itself is pretty cool. So let me let you guys get in really close and show the back of the shoe. Also the other side. I'll show you guys the inside of the shoe right here on the left foot. And yeah, like I said, this is a really comfortable shoe if you need to run around. But it is just a little tight up in here. But that's, I have that issue with some shoes. So just to let y'all know. Don't go by me. So, but yeah, this is the Fly Ease in the Court Blue. Okay, and for this next outfit, I just kept the same jeans on, but I wanted to do the normal Stacey. For the sweater, I picked up from the Gap. Was this Gap Outlet? Regular Gap, I can't remember. The button-down shirt is from Target Universal Threads. The bag is my Coach Classic duffel bag. Oh lordy, if you guys know about the classic duffels and Coach old school, it's that bag right there. I mean, I've had this bag for a long time. I believe there's scratches on it from your favorite feline that you guys haven't seen in a while. But anyway, this is just a nice classic, you know, sweater and shirt outfit. If you want to go without a sweater, take sweater off, you got your, throw that over there. Just put on, just have our button down and bag, just, you know, nice and casual, nothing real crazy. With the shoe, this is just a throw on, running out the door. Shirt slightly wrinkled, who cares? Which is because we out the door real quick. So, but yeah, let's get on the floor one more time so you guys can see the shoe up close, and then we're gonna go back to past me and finish the video. All right, here's the shoe one more time. Like I said, the shoe is super comfortable with the exception of right here where it's a little tight. It's actually more tight on my right foot than it is on my left foot. I think one of my feet is a little different than the other, but no big deal, no sweat. But this is the shoe on the foot. My only other issue with the shoe is that it does make my foot look incredibly long. This is a, what is this? A men's 7.5, women's 9. So it does make my foot look incredibly long, but I'm used to it because I used to wear a women's 10. So my feet changed. I don't know. We're not gonna get into that. Anyway, so, but yeah, this is the shoe on my foot one more time. And like I said, I like it. I love the different, how it's a different shoe. And as you guys know, I don't like to wear regular shoes. And I also like the fact that you can just slip your foot in, pop down, and you are running out the door. So this is the Nike Fly Ease in a Court Blue. All right, I hope you guys like the fashions that I put together with this. Really, these are more like a sporty shoe. So you got to be sporty. And these are, I think I would not wear socks with these. So this is probably more of a spring summer shoe that you would want to wear when you're training. I have other slip-on shoes, but not like this with the hinge in the middle and everything. So I wanted to get something a little different. But I do like the shoe. The shoe is really cool. I like the colorway. What made me pull the trigger on this shoe, you probably are asking. And you all are probably saying ill gross. I already know, but I don't care. I think these are a fun shoe. What made me pull the trigger on this shoe was I was on Instagram, and I think it was like a Middle Eastern, I was looking at reels, and I think it was like a Middle Eastern sneaker store or something. They had 2 pairs of these, and they were showing them, and they, you know, clicked them out and everything. And I was like, I need to go ahead and pull the trigger on this shoe. I really need to pull the trigger on this shoe. So I just went on and pulled the trigger and picked these up along with the Oxford Pink Dunks. So I grabbed those both at the same time. And like I said, I like the shoe. It is a fun shoe. Something different. Like I said, as you all know, and as you all have seen in my collection is not the normal. I don't buy all the hype and, you know, the hype beast and all that stuff. I'm not in all that. I like what I like, and the Nike Fly Ease are what I like. So let's go one more time. Let's look at the shoe one more time, up close and personal. This is the Nike Go Fly Ease in the colors Court Blue, White, Dutch Blue. And here you go right here. So you can see the shoe all the way around the back. Also, I'm going to show you right here on the back. It says Nike right there. And then here's the inside of the shoe with the swoosh. And this is how the shoe looks open, so you can slip your foot in. And all you got to do is just click your foot flat and it closes. So yeah, like I said, I really like this shoe. It is a really fun shoe. If you don't like it, I'm sorry. Actually, not sorry, really, because what I like and what you like are not always going to be the same. So that is it for this video. I'm being really silly. That is it for this video. I'm going to get out of here. As you all can't tell, I am dressed in my workout clothes. So I'm about to get my last workout in for the day, so I can get ready for bed. Actually, I have some videos to edit. Lots and lots of videos to edit. So if you guys have any questions, please talk to me below. I will have links to these shoes, and there's other colors also of this shoe. I'll have links below. These are regular shoes, so they are in stock. I know some colors have gone out of stock, but this seems like a regular shoe, just like Air Force Ones are, so you can pick them up anytime. Fingers crossed. So I'm gonna get out of here. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, please talk to me below. And if you guys like videos like this and want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Liking and subscribing are free of charge to everyone involved, including myself. Also, if you guys like to read things, go over to my blog, sneakersandhandbags.net, where I talk about everything from sneakers, handbags, home decor, marketing, music, whatever's on my mind. And that's it. I keep saying that's it, but no, for real, that's it. I gotta go. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.